Albert Ample back for day number 5 of 30 thrash metal albums in 30 days. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit drunk. But that's fitting today because we are talking about a band from Germany called Tankard. I love their album Chemical Invasion from 1987. The band was founded in 1982 in Frankfurt. From Frankfurt to Frisco, we destroy every disco. There you go. This is their second album after the debut Zombie Attack. It's alcoholic thrash straight to the dome. The dome is here. It's fast, it's brutal, it's funny, but there's also a lot of really great musicianship on the album. Check out the instrumental For 1,000 Beers, closer of a side A. They had a song called Alcohol on the debut album Alcohol. It's a keyword. No, sorry. They had a song called Alcohol, no. On their debut album Zombie Attack, that was their own song. On this one, they have a song called Alcohol that is a cover by Boston hardcore legends Gangrene. Green. So there you go. Tomorrow I'll hopefully be sober again, maybe have a little hangover, but day 6 is waiting in line. See you.